Hello everyone, welcome to the Wisconsin Greg Show here at the Rock River Thresheree in Edgerton, Wisconsin. I'm going to walk through the tractors now and just give you a quick preview of some of the tractors here. I won't get all of them, but I'll show you quite a few of them. There will also be steam engine tractors included with these tractors. So let's get started. It's going to be quite a few, and we'll give you a quick view of the tractors. I was here on Friday and it was the first day and it was rainy. I couldn't really videotape much. So I'm back here today on Saturday, or actually Sunday, sorry. And there was hardly anybody here on Friday, but today there's lots of people here. A lot more stuff going on. Glad I came back. It's really noisy here, so I hope you can hear me, everybody. And it's also pretty windy here today. The sun is really bright, so hopefully I'm getting this in the screen all right. I can't see my screen very well. See it a little bit.
We drove all these here. 5 of them we drove. This is an original. Yeah, that's why it's third owner of this. Oh,
If you're ever in the area at this time of the year before the holiday, come and check out the Rock River Thresheree. It's very good. I probably wouldn't recommend the first day unless that's your only choice, because I found out this year that the other days are a lot better than the very first opening day. A lot more people here, a lot more tractors and stuff here today. I suppose that's because some of the people that bring their tractors can come during the week. They have to wait till the weekend to get here because they have other jobs also. An old steam engine there.
Here, Joel, real quick. 10 for it. What size is wheel? We had a family. I haven't seen my brother. Stand up, Cole.
It's a good place to go back in history and see what things were like years ago. I'm so glad that people restore these things and keep them running. Hope everybody's doing good out there in YouTube world. I've been really busy this week making videos, so make sure to, if you like my videos, subscribe and give me a thumbs up on my videos, and go watch some more of them. And also comment if you got something to say. Comments and subscribing and stuff, the more you do that, the more my videos get out there. So I appreciate any help I can get. Thank you. Got the track all wet down here to keep the dust down. It's pretty dusty with the tractors running up and down around here.
Next door. So that's an H, isn't it? Is that the one? That's H.
I seen a tractor here, like I started out with farming that my dad had, and that's what I started out with farming. Al's Chalmers 185D. I'll show you that in a little bit. I was kind of hoping to talk to the guy that had the 185D. It could even be my dad's old tractor, I don't know. This one's had a lot of interest through the year. This year, it's got tracks put on it. I did a little tiny video of this the other day when I was here. You can see the sign here the other day. Let's see what this says. It's a noisy thing running, I can tell you that. Smoke comes out everywhere. Comes another old steamer coming by. Got a bunch of old steamers down here. Built in 1915, that tractor right there. Case. Got some more old steam engines here. They're monsters. They do have reverse in them, in case anybody's wondering. There's about every kind of tractor you can imagine here. If you're coming to the Thresheree, I'd probably recommend not wearing a white colored shirt because there's a lot of ashes that come out of these steam engines, and sometimes they'll land on your shirt and it'll get you looking kind of bad if you got a white shirt on. These were made in Racine, Wisconsin. Haas, Haas tractors. This is the 185 I was talking about. Actually, this is a 180, just plain 185, so I'm guessing this is just a gas model. The one we had was a 185D, but it looked exactly the same. I had two of them. One was just like this, and the other one had a cab on it with a loader and bucket on the front end. The one with the loader and bucket looked bigger, but it wasn't. Same tractor. But they were good old tractors, I'll tell you that. Now I got a New Holland tractor. Ooh, it's getting really, really windy right now. Some early 1900s machinery, which was manufactured in Janesville, Wisconsin, they're saying. A.G. Kent's Corn Planter Works, I believe the name of the company was. Look at that thing, looks like brand new. Actually, once me and my dad were looking at an old one like that. Almost bought it. Something for me to tinker around with when I was a kid, but we never got it. It ended up needing too much work.
And I went over there and on that side, all gone.
Comes the Rock River Cannonball. I've never rode on that. It goes around the whole park and you can go for rides on it. One's way up in the air. Used for vegetables in, looks like 1959. From Richland Center, Wisconsin. That baby looks like brand new. $25.20. My grandpa used to have one of these, 4,000. They're actually, I think they're pretty rare. I don't think they made too many of them.
Seems supposed to.
Nice to see Old Glory on the tractors. When I had an old Gleaner F2 combine, I'd stick the little flag up there when I was out combining. I didn't have those big of a flag, but I had a smaller one. But I still had Old Glory on the combine. Well, that's about it for the tractors. There's a lot more scattered through the park, but this is where most of the majority of them are. So that's going to end this part of the video, and we'll catch you on some more videos from the Rock River Thresheree here in Edgerton, Wisconsin. So keep your eye out for some more videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye now.